Now let's add more items to our carousel slider. So for every item we add to the carousel slider, we're going to need to add a carousel indicator. So in total, I'm going to be adding 5 items, so I'm going to need 5 more indicators. Okay. So let's change the data slide to attribute, referring to the index of our items. Okay, and now let's add our items. So I'm just going to duplicate this and change elements inside it. So the third item is going to be using the start image, and the text is going to be this one. So let's just copy it. Okay. And then the next item is going to be, okay, so the picture is going to be projects, and I'm going to use this text. Okay. Okay, and then the next one is going to be this one. So let's copy the text. And the image is going to be money.jpg, and then the next one is this one. Let's copy the text. Let's copy again. And the image is going to be skills. Okay, and then the last one is going to be this one. Okay, and let's copy the text. And change the image to time.jpg. Okay, let's make sure that everything is fine. Okay, so let's save this and check it. So if I refresh the page, okay. Perfect. So everything is working. So we've got all our pictures and all the headings. All right. Now you can now write a little bit of jQuery code to control the amount of time between 2 slides. Okay. So let's go at the end of the body element, and create a new script element. Okay, so we're going to write our code inside the document ready function to make sure that the document is loaded before we execute anything. Okay, so we are going to access the carousel using the carousel class. And then we're going to use the carousel method. Okay. And then inside the parameters of the method, we're going to place options inside curly brackets. So the option we are looking at here is the interval option, and we can set it to an amount of time in milliseconds. So if we go to 10 seconds, that's 10,000 milliseconds. And let's save and refresh. Now you'll see that we're going to have to wait for 10 seconds before we move from one slide to another. Here we go.